Hello, in this video we're gonna check if you can play Fortnite on Huawei Nova Y70. So in order to do this, let's search on a few platforms. First is App Gallery. Here we can try finding Fortnite. But as you can see, there's no game right here that we want to download. Next is to try Epic Games app, and you can download it from Epic Games Store website. Now let's try finding Fortnite right here. It is, and this device is not supported, so that means you can't play Fortnite on Huawei Nova Y70. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.